Students, in this video we are going to see which lessons we want to study, because some of the students they are using old version of the book. So in that old book we are having 12 lessons, and new book we are having only 10 lessons. So according to our syllabus it is given 4th lesson, 5th lesson, 6th lesson, 7th lesson. So in 4th lesson we are dealing with tribal groups and what happened there and how they changed their life with this present means the with the British people, like that things. Then next lesson, when people started to rebel. First rebellion, it is coming 57. Afterwards what happened, then that is the one lesson. Then 6th lesson, weavers, iron smelters and the factory owners, how this it is developing, weaving, iron smelting and factory, how they changed, or how the small scale industry stopped, and how the industrialization affected India, that we will see in 6th lesson. And 7th lesson, civilizing the native, educating the nation. British people, what they thought about Indian education, how they tried us. Indians want to be civilized, or we want to become a better one, or we want to get education like that, and how they, what type of education they given. Like these 4 lessons we want to study. So in this education we need for again in 9th standard and 10th standard we will deal again, and weaving, iron smelting, like that it is part of job, like that we will see again in 9th and 10th standard. And people's rebellion is the what we can say starting point of thinking about Indian nationalism. So we want to study the second part, 1905 onwards what happened here in India, that is means the coming here in the 9th lesson, and its continuation we can see there in 10th lesson. And tribal community, that again we want to study in 9th and 10th also. So these lessons not only for exam purpose, we are in need of this lesson. All the lessons it is needed, even caste we want, and making of nationalism we need, after independence what happened, everything it is there. We are going to revise in different way, in the name of economics, in the name of politics, like that we are going to revise in 9th and 10th classes. So we taken 4 lessons. What are they? Tribals, discourse and vision. Then when people rebellion, weavers, iron smelters and factory workers. Then civilizing the native, educating the nation. This is about history lessons, and I will show you once again geography lessons also. Dear students, in which lessons? 2nd, 3rd and 4th and 5th we want to study again 4 lessons. 2nd lesson, 3rd lesson, 4th lesson and 5th lesson. Human resource you will study in 9th standard again in the part of economics, as well as part of what we can say geography also you will study little bit. So economics, in economics text 1 lesson it is human resource, and last lesson that population study, again it is there in geography textbook last lesson also. So that lesson skipped, and other 4 lessons taken: land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. Again we will study the details in 9th and 10th standard. Then minerals and power resources, that is one of the lesson for 10th standard. Then agriculture, that also another one lesson for 10th standard. Industries, that also another one lesson for 10th standard. So we are having the continuation in higher classes, as well as it is important to understand what is that and how it is working, how it is helping for our GDP and other things, national progress and other things. So we taken land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife lesson. Then minerals and power resources next one. Then agriculture next one. Then industries next one. Now I will show you people about civics lesson. In civics we want to study about 3rd lesson, 4th lesson, 5th lesson and 6th lesson. So for 3rd lesson, why do we need a parliament? So we attended before last year the general election. So what is that general, how the parliament is forming, and what is the duties and responsibilities of PM and president, like that things we will study. We already studied understanding law. We will think about the civil law, criminal law, like that things. Then judiciary, duties and functions of judiciary, as well as different levels of judiciary, like that things we have seen. Then understanding our criminal justice, the justice system, how we are working out, where we want to go and file cases, like that things we are studying. So we want to study 4 lessons again here, and that is why do we need a parliament, understanding laws, judiciary, understanding of our criminal laws. Not only this one, Indian constitution, understanding secularism, all the lesson, even public facilities, social law and social justice, understanding marginalization, confronting of marginalization, all these lessons we are going to study in higher class, means 9th and 10th, in a different way. Judiciary is there in that one, and constitution articles we studied about 15th, 16th, like that things again we want to study detailed way in 9th and 10th standard. So we are picking up which lessons once again, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th lessons. In this we studied already 3 lessons for first semester. Only one new lesson I taken from second semester, because it is continuation. It is important point here, the levels of government, judiciary as well as parliament, Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, president, prime minister, like that important points are there. That's why I taken these lessons, and don't feel like that other lessons are not at all important, but from daily life we can understand marginalization, confronting, then public facilities, like that things we can understand very easily. So which lessons we should not forget are like that lessons only taken. Even I like to include this first lesson also, let it be. Now 4 lessons enough, like that we are having total how many lessons? 12 lessons. From history 4, geography 4 and civics 4 lessons only given for exam. Really I want to give out of 28 we want to take 14 lesson, I taken only 12 lessons. So study nicely, neatly, carefully, read your textbook first, then I am given many links related to every lesson. You can go through that links also. Then in revision days, when you are watching videos or what all homeworks you are getting, please do it carefully and write answers. If it is 3 mark question, 5 mark question, many times I said you should write point wise, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, like that point wise you want to write. And objective type question, if it is only fill in the blanks, like that means MCQs, that particular word you can write. And if it is match the pair, please write both side, A side also, B side also, with answer. A side you want to write and B side the same questions answer you can write. In that way you can write, or you can make like this one, all the questions correctly, answers also how it is given in question paper. Then if it is first one here first, then third, fifth, like that you can mark it. So study neatly, carefully, and try to score good mark, and wishing you all the best. And tomorrow we will start our revision classes, revision videos and Zoom classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.